Welcome to our tutorial on making shapes transparent in Google Slides. Whether you're highlighting an element or creating layered designs, knowing how to adjust transparency is essential. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Insert a shape. Open your Google Slides presentation, click on the slide where you want to add a shape, go to Insert Shape and choose the desired shape, rectangle, circle, etc. 2. Customize the shape, resize and position the shape as needed, click on the shape to select it. 3. Adjust transparency. In the toolbar, click on the paint bucket icon, fill color, select custom, slide the transparency adjuster left or right to make the shape more or less transparent, click OK to apply the transparency. If you have multiple shapes, follow the same steps for each one. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.